up into the sky. So join me today for a very cool drive, very scenic drive into what a lot of people would consider one of Arizona's most beautiful sections of road. So I hope you guys enjoy. Curves, mountain grades, 37 miles, that is the point. As you climb and you go up, or I should say deeper in, you get less and less people. So I intend to kind of go the full, I don't know, let's say 25, 30 miles in and enjoy the drive. Bank too. It's actually really cool. Suspension and these ridiculous tires work, or I should say they help. Yeah, this is one of my favorite sections here. I love this. a sec.